Next, let's learn a crochet of tulip flower leaves. Video watch. A whole leaf looks like this. Then prepare the green line in advance and a wire. Continue to wrap the thread on the finger first. Take out our crochet. The way to needle the leaves is to needle with braid needles. Then first at this position of our middle finger, just come around in a circle. Then this intersection point. Take a look at this intersection. We're holding it down. Then the crochet goes in from bottom to top. The wire goes straight through our coil. Then tighten. Start crocheting 16 braid needles. And the way you do that is you wind the wires from the bottom up. Then drag out. So this is a braid needle. Let's continue. Okay, 16 braid needles. We're done now. And then, go back to the penultimate thread of the braid needle. Insert the needle in the penultimate needle. Come in and knit short needles. Winding directly drag out. There are 2 coils on the coil. Direct winding. Drag through 2 coils at once. In the next entry, hook a medium and long needle. Please pay attention to the crocheting method of medium and long needles. You start by making a loop on the crochet. Then insert the needle in the next entry. Continue to drag from bottom to top. Now there are 3 coils on the crochet. Hooked through 3 coils at once. Then wind the wire. This is a crochet method for medium and long needles. We continue to bring the last 2 coils, 2 more long stitches. You start with a loop on the crochet. Continue to insert the next needle, winding and dragging 3 coils on the crochet. We're going to wind the wire around the first 2 coils, then continue winding. This is how long needles are crocheted. Let's do another winding. Then go to the rootstock. Keep winding. Drag out the 3 coils on the crochet. We wind and drag out the first 2 coils. Keep winding. Drag out the last 2 coils. Okay, 2 long needles. We've done it. And then next we're going to hook 7 long needles. Let's take a look at the hook method of the long needle. 1 lap. We'll start by doing 2 loops of thread on the crochet. Continue to the next needle head and insert the needle inside. Wire drag out. We have 4 coils on the crochet. The strip wire is dragged through 2 coils at once. Then one time winding. Drag through 2 coils, and then wind it round. Drag through 2 coils at once. And that's how we often do it. A start. We're going to hook 7 in total. The second one goes round twice. Drag out. Then insert the needle. Then it drags through 2 coils at once. 2 more coils. 2 more coils. Okay, the second long needle is done. Third, then we keep picking up speed. Fourth, okay, we're done with our 7th long needle. Now the next stitch needs to hook 2 long stitches. Go round the line first. Then the next needle is inserted into the needle. The long needle only goes round a circle of thread. Then we wind the wire. Wire drag out. Hook through 2 coils. More coils. Continue to hook a long needle. Next circle. Hook another medium and long needle. Keep going round the line. Then pull the needle in and out. Drag through 3 coils at once. To our last rootstock. Last rootstock. It's a place where we come round the corner. We're going to hook a short needle at the last needle. Then 2 braid needles. Then turn this way. Insert on this side of the last crochet stitch and notice the arrow on the head of the leaf. You can tuck it in directly. It will save a lot of trouble later. Continue a short needle. Okay, so we crochet this one. Our short needle has been completed. To hook a medium and long needle in the second stitch. Needle insertion, disposable winding. Through 3 coils, hook 2 more long needles. Winding hook 1 pull. 1, 2, then the middle and the opposite are corresponding. Hook 2 more long needles. Seven long ones have been completed. And then the next stitch, same with the other side. 2 more long stitches. Then a medium and long needle. A short needle is hooked inside the last stitch. The first lap is over. Then in the first short needle in this circle. It's the same for us. The end of the needle comes in. Then take out our wire. Hook our second lap. Put the wire here. Ring starter. Hook a standing needle first. Then wind the wire and drag it directly over. We're done. This circle, we will not reduce this half. 15 short needles. Then go in and drag out of the first Remember hole. To wrap the wire in it. Then wind the wire. A total of 15 short needles need to be hooked. Everyone pay attention to count for yourself. To the corner. In the process of editing, you can bend the wire down a little bit. It will be easier to peel. Make it more convenient. Okay, 15 short needles, that's all we've done now. Then to a corner of the leaf, you can break this wire off. Put a short needle in this hole first, then hook another dog-tooth needle. The hook method of dog-tooth needle. A braid needle, direct 3, 1, 2, 3. Then continue to insert needles in the same needle head. Hook another short needle out. Okay, so that's a dog-tooth needle. Keep going round this half. 15 more long stitches. Start turning that wire round for him. It will be more convenient to tick this way. Then the next needle is inserted into the needle. Then tick our short needle. Everyone must look back. Is this wire wrapped in? And now to our last stalk. Attention to this rootstock. The rootstock in the middle does not need to be hooked. We're at the end of the last frame. Then pull this coil a little bit bigger for it. Just run our wire through. Put it here, then tighten. Find the location of the first circle of short needles on our side. This is one of our standing pins. Go in and drag it around the wire. End of promotion. We can just disconnect. Pull over, and then the leaves fuse together. This piece is directly tightened for him. Then we wire. You can just give it a little turn. Okay, if you tighten this piece, there will be no seam. Take a look at one of our leaves. It's crocheted,